lot going on here in our kitchen. Lucia Schnitzer of Luci's Healthy Marketplace. She's cooking up. She's frantically working in our kitchen here this morning. I know that you have all this ready here, but you always bring, while you're just straightening that out, if we could just kind of take a look all down here. You work so hard to create such a beautiful display every time you come in. This is just a smidgen of some of the healthy goods that you can find at Luci's Healthy Marketplace, and you're over at 16th Street in Bethany.
Bethany Home Road.
Such a cute little market. It's one of those hometown markets, you know, that we long for. One of those places where everybody knows your name.
Well, it's so true. I mean, you come in, and if you come in often enough, we know your drink, we know your name, we know what's up, you know, with your current life. You know,
too much maybe.
Too much sometimes. But no, it's
okay.
a neighborhood spot, you know, and it's exciting. It really is exciting to be part of that.
That is really exciting because you know what? Everybody knows that when they come in, they're all going to walk out with fresh, healthy ingredients
That's
too.
right.
This is really cool that you're sharing with us. What is the base here that we're working on? This is called a snake bite calzone.
So what this is, it's pizza dough.
Okay.
Now, for the child that has the allergies of gluten-free, you can opt to do a gluten-free dough if you want it to. Okay. I'm going to use my hands.
Go
I'm
for
so
it.
sorry.
It's all right.
And also, you have, you know, children that can't have dairy.
Right.
You know, autistic children, they recommend that they stay away from dairy and casein. So there are some wonderful products out in the market that you can use. This one's from Tafuni. This is a dairy-free ricotta, and the texture is just like ricotta.
I mean, would not have known
and
that
it tastes like ricotta.
So what you're saying then, when you walk into your marketplace, whatever allergy that you may have, you can find the alternative to it, so you can still eat pastas and
absolutely
breads and things like that.
You
can eliminate all those things that are not really working for your body. Now, what kind of cheese are you using
This
here?
is a Daya shredded cheese.
So this isn't a real cheese?
This isn't real cheese, and
Okay.
this is what it is right here. And it melts so beautifully.
See, that's always been the problem with the fake cheese, is it just doesn't melt.
It doesn't melt.
It's a dead giveaway. When
exactly, I know. It's like, okay, this is fake.
Yeah.
And your kids are going to know the difference too.
Okay, so you're just going to roll it
We're going to do a little pin roll just like this. Super easy, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Your kids can help you do this. And then what you're going to do,
cute that is.
I know, right? You want to go ahead and cover it up like this. And then you're going to get the little olives.
So you're going to bake it with the olives in it, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what you're going to want to do is make sure that you get the eye in there.
Oh yeah, you got to have the little pimento sticking out.
Yeah, and then you're going to stick that right in there, like so. And you're going to form it.
Because he's a snake.
He's a little snake. And then you put it in the oven at 350, and it's going to cook for about 30 to 35 minutes.
Okay.
And there you have it. Super
It's so cute.
easy. What you're
Oh
going to
my
want to do now, the finishing touch is an egg base. Now, there are some kids that can't have egg.
Okay.
So you can use an oil base for that.
That is so adorable. Great ideas. Once again, the recipes are on the website. And I'll tell you what, I would eat that no matter what's inside of it, to tell you the truth. Susan, it is just too darn cute.
It's so cute. I can't wait to slice up that snake. I'm just saying.
Yeah, me too.
I'm just saying. Well, I tell you.